breaking news away from the conflict now. US President Donald Trump has fired his Attorney General Pam Bondi. Let's go to Washington. Our chief US correspondent, Alan Fisher, is there. How much of a surprise is this, Alan?
It's been coming. We've heard a lot of talk over the last week or so that Donald Trump was unhappy with her performance. He likes her personally, but just felt she wasn't on delivering on a lot of his views and vision. She ran into problems, of course, with the Epstein files. You remember that she said that she had a list of contacts that Jeffrey Epstein had on her desk and she was going to release them. And then the FBI, which comes under Bondi's control, was forced to put out a statement saying there was actually no list. That didn't work well with Donald Trump. And she defended him very vigorously at hearings on Capitol Hill, certainly was very vocal in her defense of the president, but he wanted to see more action against people he perceived as having broken the law or had wronged him, likes of James Comey, the former FBI director. Now, she initiated a case against Comey, but it fell apart. That was another strike against her. And so while he was convinced that she was very strong in her defense of the president, he didn't feel that she was doing enough or pushing what he wanted to be done in the Justice Department. Now, you have to remember that the Justice Department is an independent organization. It's meant to work well away from the president. But of course, Donald Trump was very unhappy with his attorneys general during his first term. He wanted someone who would effectively act as his own personal lawyer. Pam Bondi was his second choice for this job. She was very popular among the MAGA loyalists, and many people thought she would do exactly what Donald Trump wanted. But it turns out that she couldn't work within the existing legal framework to deliver what Donald Trump himself wanted. Eventually, it got too much for the president, and she's now